So, Freddy Fuego killing the secret society of vigilantes again. Here I am with Audrey Hepburn. I used to know her once. Another life ago. So, look, this is a vintage, authentic movie poster. This was the one they had at the movie theater at that time. Look at how hard and heavy, but look. I got Stalker shit all over it. We're gonna see if we can find it. In this frame, that's as much space as they need. Damn, I'm sorry about that video, it's too close. There is something either taking pictures of me that is stalking me. Now look at the technology they use, and it's just me in my mind. Nothing can beat us, me in my mind. Even if I have to destroy this $500 piece, you see, this was the Stalkers got it wrong. You can do this to somebody that maybe is renting, or maybe puts a large value on money like they do. You know, they can't imagine living without it. But I fucking could live without it. It's nothing to me. I got no problem being a redneck if I have to go live in the woods. As long as there's a place to shower. Now, let's see. What's so small that they can use inside of this? Don't ask me how I know. I just know. We know we didn't do you. Let's see if it's gotten in my sheets. Anything moving is part of it. You know, anything that runs is a son of a gun. We're gonna get it. It has to come back because I fold the sheets this way. So if it goes that way, it has to come back to me. See? How smart this Puerto Rican is. See, all Puerto Ricans aren't dumb. See, all minorities aren't ignorant. You know, we can adapt. Now, I never went to school to be a spy. Like my mini stalkers. Mini stalkers. The big ones are at work. My vigilante society. The ones that won't let these guys near them. They don't like them either. They're just puppets on a string. Working for ring dings and hostess cakes and shit. Bag of weed and a little meth. They make it easily accessible. How do I know? Don't ask me, I just know. It's a simple matter of arithmetic. That's how I know. You know all answers lie in the math, right? Would you pay this guy $1,000? Or would you just buy an ounce for less and give him pieces at a time? And he ain't work for shit. That's a hustler's motto. And these people are hustlers. My stalkers are starving. They even want to eat my food. What's wrong with these niggas? Anything they don't eat and it's open, I know it's poisoned. They ask me, how does he know? I just follow you. You the fucking lead. I'm trying to save it because this is a little expensive piece, huh? That is, my sanity is worth way more than this, so another matter of arithmetic. Simple, do the math. Okay. Now I can feel my stalker shitting on herself. Miss Daniel, Desiree Daniels. Another shitty drawer is gonna be around here somewhere. I'm gonna have to find it. Or could it be in the frame? These people are very fucking meticulous. It's in the frame, but I don't put nothing past them. Nope, they didn't touch this. It's very authentic. Matter of fact, I have this piece for anybody wanting. So fucking very well collectors. You gotta understand Hollywood. You know, I'm gonna be auditioning for this movie. I'm about my life and how I conquered this soon. Believe me? You better believe me. I haven't been wrong yet. I told you how to get him. I discovered everything. Now let's see. It's a remote control monitor, so they can make it shoot the breeze. I'm gonna pause this. I'll get back with you when I find it. So here we go. I discovered the issue. It's the screws, you see? Look inside them. They're focused. Boom. Don't it look like a piece of glass in there? How deep these motherfuckers go? Let me get you right. I'm gonna prove me that I'm the truth. How could Freddy Fuego happen to just notice? Don't ask me, I never went to... Look at that little diamond in the middle of the screw. Go find one of yours at home like that. See that? It's probably... camera. You could Google that. These screws is everywhere around here. I find them every time. They're accessory to this crime. They think they can use technology because I'm illiterate. You know, they said that in somebody had the nerve to call me illiterate on Erie Marketplace. So this illiterate fool is kicking your ass. You call me a nigger behind closed doors, except when they're bothering you. When black people are bothering you, I'm your best friend. And when I leave the room, I hear you whisper, nigga. You said nigga. He's leaving. The nigger is leaving the room. So this nigga's taking it to you. Just for your hypocritical ass. I expose you day by day. The most informative motherfucker on YouTube. Freddy Fuego is the truth. There's something about this material that they make this screw. It's on everything. Look at this is damaging your eyesight. And you're probably trying to penetrate into your skull. With that right there that they expected me to wear, I hang it as a trophy. I killed a fucking stalker. Hanged him on the mantle. Look at that evil shit. You gotta know I might like something like that to leave it here. I'm the man. Will somebody find a scientist or a college student, please participate. I went to Google and they say this is a camera that's been tracking my movements, flashing and taking shit from my soul. You ain't get enough. I'll give you some more. Look at that, baby. Do you have one at home? If you're a targeted individual, start checking these things. Look at it's like glass inside of there. It's not regular, you know. Does your screw have a diamond in the middle like that? Look at it all the way around. Somewhere there's a stalker shitting in her pants. I even found a dirty panty that I will show you and more. So I conclude this video with DNA in hand, panties with a stain, more DNA, and I even know where the stain came from. Looks like it was Subway. So check your screws and watch what you screw. Might end up with dirty ass too. Alright, I'm out.